Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on craft supplies with Michaels credit card, beginner guide step by step clearly. To save on craft supplies with the Michaels credit card, first, visit the Michaels website or your nearest store. Look for information about their credit card program. Review the benefits associated with the Michaels credit card. Understand that cardholders often receive special discounts on purchases. Take note of the introductory offers that may include extra savings or rewards. Decide if you want to apply for the card online or in store. If applying online, click on the credit card tab on the website. Fill out the required personal information in the application form. Submit your application and wait for the approval. Once approved, you will receive your Michaels credit card in the mail. Start using your card for purchases at Michaels. Keep an eye out for promotional events where cardholders receive additional discounts. Join the Michaels Rewards program to maximize your savings. Use your credit card for eligible purchases to earn rewards points. Redeem those points for future discounts or craft supplies. Track your spendings and rewards through the customer portal. Plan your purchases around sales and clearance events. Make sure to pay your credit card balance on time to avoid interest fees. Stay updated on any changes to the credit card benefits through Michaels emails. By following these steps, you can effectively save on craft supplies using your Michaels credit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.